All right, this is AP Calculus, and we are doing midterm review. This is multiple choice number 5, which is non-calculator. We are given this equation and asked to find dy dx. So this is implicit because we cannot easily solve for y. And we wouldn't want to because if you look at the answers, they all have y too. The big trick here is that this is a product rule in the middle, and that's the thing that people are most likely to miss. So when I differentiate the 3x squared, I get a 6x, right? And then here's my u dv, which will be dy dx, plus v du. And then I can't forget the y squared. It's going to be a 2y dy dx. And then equals 0, which is something that we've all done. You can see that there's a trap answer down here. Answer C has the answer where you forget that the 1 differentiates to 0. We've all done that. I'm going to move all my stuff that does not have a dy dx to the right-hand side. So I'm going to have a 2x dy dx plus a 2y dy dx. That's a y. And I'm going to subtract the 6x and the 2y over. So I get a negative 6x and a negative 2y. There is a GCF of 2, and if you notice, none of the answers have 6's and 2's, so you might want to just divide everybody by 2 now. You don't have to, but it's certainly not a bad idea. I could pretty easily just make this a 1 and a 1 and a 3, right? And then a 1. So what ends up happening is I factor out this dy dx, and I'm left with x plus y. On the other side, I have a negative 3x and a minus y. So I get dy dx equals negative 3x minus y over an x plus y. Now you might be saying, oh, that's great, but I don't see that answer, Hogan. They have pluses for the y's. Well, the reason they have pluses is because this minus, right, in all of these answers here and just those two specifically, they don't just go to the 3x, right? That's the same as a minus times the entire quantity. So if you factored a negative out of this, this is a 3x plus y. On the top. So when you have a negative in front of a fraction, it goes to the entire numerator, which can mean distributing. So I'm looking for a 3x plus y on the top, an x plus y on the bottom, and a negative in the front, which is answer B.